Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 badges not showing or not working. So how to fix this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that open a go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, click on a taskbar, turn off and on a task Windows badges, close the settings. Now you can see that it's all working. The second method is that open a widgets, go to your Microsoft account. Now you can see that. The third method is that going to your start menu, right click, go to your task manager. After doing this test, go down and find out our Windows Explorer. Select the Windows Explorer and click on a restart. After that, close it. Now you can see that it's all working. The fourth method is that right click on a task manager and find out a Windows badges. Scroll down. Now here is a Windows badges. Click on a end task. Close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.